We're going to be taking algebraic expressions. Part 5. So first of all, first thing we're going to be treating is question, a more complicated question. Let's say we have 8x plus yx is equals to 15y. Find x when y is equals to 3. So first of all, we're going to, like I said in our previous classes, we're going to be substituting our value for y, that is 3, into the equation. So we're going to put in 3 in all the right places. So wherever y is, we're going to replace it with 3. We're going to be having 3x is equals to 15 bracket 3. So solving this, we have 8x plus 3x. 15 times 3, that's going to give us 45. So when we add these two, what are we going to have? 8x plus 3x, that's 11x is equals to 45. Therefore x is equals to 45 all over 11. That's 45 all over 11. I will be creating a video soon on how to resolve fractions, but for now, let's manage with what we have. 45 divided by 11, what are we going to do? First of all, 11 is going to go into the entire equation, into 45 as a whole. You know the last number that can be divisible by 11 before 45 is 44, because any number that is divisible by 11 is going to be the same number, especially when it's 2 digits. So it's going to be the same number, like 5, 5, 6, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4. So 44 can be divided by 11. And if we divide 44 by 11, we're going to be having 4. And then our remainder is going to be 1, because 45 minus 44 has 1. We have 1 all over 11. So we know that x is equal to 4 number 1 over 11. So how do we check if we're correct? I always recommend to check if you're correct, especially when you're solving an algebraic question. So in order to check, first thing we're going to do is to impute all our numbers, our values for x and y into the equation. So our values for x is 45 over 11, or 4 over 1 over 11, anyone goes, plus y, that's 3, times x, that's 45 all over 11, is equals to 15 times y, that's 15 bracket y, that's 3. So 8 times 45 all over 11 is going to give us what? That's going to give us 8 times 45, that's 360 all over 11, plus 3 times 45, that's 135 all over 11, which is equals to 5 times 3, 15 times 3, sorry, that's 45. So adding this together, one thing in fraction is if the both denominators are the same, that is, they are like terms. When it comes to fraction, like term is when the denominator or the numerator are the same. So if both the denominator are the same, then we can just add up the up numbers and pick up one of these. So what do I mean by that? So we're going to add the numerators just to get our answer. 360 plus 135 is going to give us 495. all over. We pick one of the denominator, that's 11, like I said before, which is going to give us 45. So in order to solve this, we always know that if you divide 45 by 1, it's still going to give us 45. So 45 is still the same thing as 45 divided by 1. So let's cross multiply in order to end up with just one number. So if we cross multiply, we're going to be having 495 is equals to 45 times 11. And 45 times 11 is equals to 495. And that's our answer right there. This here is our answer. Thank you, and in the next video I'll be solving more questions. Also, I'm going to include other topics like indices, fractions, and other rules. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment in the comment section what I should do next, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to